beautiful, but I look and then I smell a perfume. It's like I'm down on the floor and I don't know what I'm in for. Conversation, there's a time and place in the interaction of a lover and a nick at the time of talking. Using symbols, using what can be likened to a deep sea diver who is swimming with the raincoat. Come stand a little bit closer, breathe in and get